What's cracking, YouTube, man? We back finally with another video. I've been so busy, man, with other stuff going on. I haven't really had a lot of time to do a lot of stuff with the car or keep y'all updated on the car. So I actually just got the car back from getting it wet sanded and buffed. And the paint is crazy on it now. It actually came out way better than I thought after I got it wet sanded and buffed. I mean, it's perfectly straight, laser straight on the paint side. We lost a couple pieces of trim in the process, you know what I mean? I kind of gave him shit, making him think I really cared, but I didn't because I knew it was loose anyway. So that was a pretty cool little joke I played on the guy. But anyway, I'm gonna flip this camera around and show y'all just the glass finish he put on this thing. Give y'all his information if y'all in OKC and y'all want to reach out to him and get y'all's car wet sanded and buffed after you get it painted. So let me show y'all real quick. So we got the car outside. As y'all can tell, like I said, the weather's been like real crazy here. It's actually like 40 degrees. I think it's a little less than 40 outside right now. I'm getting ready to put it back in the garage in a little bit once I get done. We're gonna finish trying to wrap the Camaro tonight, or most of it, before he goes back to school. But as y'all can see, man, he absolutely glassed this thing. I don't know what he done to it, but it is pretty crazy. Like I mean, I had a lot of trash in it, in the paint. I don't know how well it's showing through on the camera, but he got all of them out. And he was showing me some of the spots where he was like unable to get like a lot of it, but he got it smooth. What he was saying is like some of it was beneath the clear coat that, you know, you don't want to keep going far. So yeah, he did his thing on this car. And a lot of stuff on here that you might see in the camera is just dirt or little water spots because it's misty outside, but he did a great job with this. I mean, I don't know if y'all can see down the line at how laser straight this thing is. I mean, shout out to Steve too, my guy, who did all the touching up with the paint and like just a few little dents and stuff, you know, that he body worked before they shot the car. But I'm super overall impressed with it. Like, he killed this thing. Everything else, there's a few spots I need to get. You know, we got a few little spots here I'm gonna get off with a little acetone, a little paint, but no big deal. But again, man, if y'all want to get y'all's car looked at and just get it straightened out, like straight as an arrow, his name is Drip Man on Instagram, Drip Man on TikTok. I think it's actually Drip Man OKC on TikTok. Just look at the finish. I mean, I can see myself in it, how glass this thing is. Crazy part is I had put a pinstripe on here and I took the pinstripe off. Well, he took it off because he's like, I shouldn't have pinstriped it, but that pinstripe was like 10 bucks on Amazon. So I went ahead and ordered another one. We're just gonna relay another vinyl pinstripe around it. But right now, as y'all know, I'm a flat rate technician, so the car game is slowing down at work. So I kind of gotta pause a little bit on just going crazy on this car right now, because I was thinking about, you know, taking some money, pulling all the seats out and sending them up to Tennessee to have Stitch by Slick recover them. But I think I may end up trying to do it myself through L Seat. I reached out through them on an email and he was like, just take a sample of the material, send it into them, and they'll give me the exact color back on the seat covers that they make. So that may be what we do next. I still got to replace the window felts. I did the driver's side, not the passenger side. Once we get those, we're gonna do, like I said, the hood emblems will be gold. We'll do the door lock gold, as well as the emblems on the top and the trunk and the Cadillac logo. And I'm actually thinking about doing the updated style brome on the back from like the 90s model, like the big round one that I don't really like, but I do like how they did the brome badge. So we may do that. But yeah, I was giving y'all a quick video, keep y'all updated on what was going on. I hadn't forgot about YouTube, just like I said, super busy with work, the holidays and family and stuff like that. So the car kind of went on the back burner for a little bit, but we back though. Definitely gonna get that done. And anyway, man, if y'all want to see more like repair videos in the shop, I could drop those daily because I have new car content every day in the shop, doing stuff every day on the Cadillacs, the Chevys. It'll mainly be GM content. So if y'all have a new GM car, whatever it may be, we touch them all. So if y'all want that, just let me know in the comments to drop that kind of content. I'll do that, just, you know, to bring more some different stuff to the channel. Instead of just me working on my personal stuff, I want to kind of give people a chance to see, you know, how to update some of their own stuff and things that they have. You know, if you got a Chevy truck or a Cadillac, any of them, it's all the same stuff. But anyway, yeah, there's that piece of trim that fell off. So I got to get that off eBay somewhere, repaint it and put it back on. But yeah, I mean, this is a quick one I wanted to show y'all. I appreciate everybody for rocking with me with the Cadillac content. We're just gonna keep pumping it out as it comes, but right now everything, like I said, slow motion. So appreciate y'all for checking in with me, and we'll see y'all in the next video.